Presenting the OnePlus watch that is available in two colors to choose from, Midnight Black and Moonlight Silver. It features a hand-polished round watch case with 2.5D curved glass. The watch features a 46mm screen with a light and shadow flow around the edges. It comes with a Fluroelastomer band, making it comfortable for all-day wear. The watch is also IP68 water and dust resistant, making it durable. The OnePlus watch has a battery life of up to 14 days. With its warp charge, you can get a day's power for your watch in 5 minutes or 7 days charge in just 20 minutes. The watch comes with a 4GB standalone storage, allowing you to store up to 500 songs. The watch is compatible with Android devices. The OnePlus watch helps you manage all your health data on one app with blood oxygen saturation monitoring, step and heart rate tracker, sleep and stress tracker, sedentary reminder, etc. It also helps you monitor over 110 workout types, including automatic workout detections for jogging, running and swimming posture recognition. Get notifications for calls and messages on your watch. You can also answer the calls from your watch for a hands-free calling experience. The watch also lets you control your phone, music and camera. The watch is 5ATM certified. It can be seamlessly connected with OnePlus TV to act as a remote controller. It even turns off the TV automatically after watch detects you have fallen asleep. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.